Oh boy, you know, look at this shutter. It's falling apart. It's a nice wood shutter, but it's given up the ghost, so to speak. Wood shutters, they just don't hold up over time. Even if you maintain them, they have a tendency to fall apart. Well, guess what? There's an alternative, vinyl shutters. You know what I like about vinyl shutters? I like the fact that they're maintenance free. Another thing I like about them is that they come in all different types of styles for basically any type of house that you might have, and they come in all sorts of colors. Really a neat product. Now, how hard is it to put up a vinyl shutter? You're going to be shocked. It's really simple. You might think that you have to drill holes, put anchors in, and put screws. No, the new vinyl shutters come with a fantastic fastener that is an anchor and a fastener all in one. You simply drill a 1/4-inch hole through the shutter into the side of the building, drive the fastener into the hole, and bingo, you're done. It's really, really a simple process. Okay, you be the judge. Check this out. The right side's the vinyl shutter, the left side's the old original wood shutter. The vinyl shutter looks wonderful. They're beautiful, they're easy to put up. You go ahead and get some. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.